Alicia and Lacey, and
I'm Lacey's just busy decorating.
and we are playing on Raw Citizens on Roblox, because this is our Roblox account. I won't be in the videos all the time, so it might just be like her filming.
Well, we're gonna try and film like every time together.
It might just be her filming, but I'd still be on the game, but I just wouldn't be sitting next to her. So if I am on the game, guys, I will say hi to Lacey. I will go, hi, Lulu, and she'll go, hi, I am recording. My name is Erica.
Or we could be recording like a video, but I could be like on FaceTime with her or something.
Yeah, and
then she would like be like, oh, booking cosmetics garage store. Oh my god, oh that's opening it. Oops.
Yeah, and so my name is Erica Costel 1304. Just so you guys know that it's me when I say hi, Lulu. That's mine, and hers is Lolo.
Kiss 765.
There, that is hers. And so yeah, we have done my room.
On the last flight,
we have done the bathroom, and now we are doing the
pink room.
Pink room.
I think we're only going to do the pink room in another room, and if we have time for another room in this video, because we're already on 1:30, so the limit of 5 minutes, I'll be doing it full.
No, the limit isn't.
But I don't like want to waste their time though, so we're just going to have to do 5 minutes. Okay? Oh, okay. By the way, guys, I'm sorry if this room looks really bad to you.
She's not the best designer.
Rude. I mean, I did ask for an opinion, didn't I? No.
Yeah. Pink try.
By the way, guys, if you're wondering how the hell do I have all this pink stuff up in the child room, because I tried to just get some blue stuff then, didn't I?
Yeah.
But the update was gone out the window. Wow, I like the look of the pink room.
Yeah, it's nice.
I bet you want the pink room instead.
No.
But I couldn't put like a laptop or anything in this one.
I know. So mine's it's got a laptop, guys.
Huh? Got you squished?
She just got squished into the door. Alright, we'll show you guys my room. This is my room.
No one else is allowed to have this room except for Malaysia. So if I adopt a kid, they're not allowed this room.
Yeah, so this is my room. So I've got a laptop, a blue bed, because I love blue.
What about the sign that says Alicia's room only?
Yes, and we're going to get a sign soon. Put Erica's room only.
I'm moving through the winter. Sorry, guys. Follow me on Musically, Lacey Henderson 07.
And mine is, well, it's either Alicia or Harley Quinn 1304. By the way, we're not really that good at Musically, but
I'm not
all the time. So
I really like doing Musically, guys.
Erica's
edit text.
Erica's room only. Put it in. It's to see. Put it in the thing. Yeah, that's. Not all capitals. I just want the first one. Also the no.
Only. Should I say
don't enter.
No.
See, do not enter.
Don't trespass.
This room. Put this room inside. Then put only.
Don't trespass this room only. No, because it's only this room that they're not allowed to trespass.
Oh yeah.
By the way, guys, if you wonder why I keep my mic having to stop, it's because my laptop is slightly broken.
Yeah, alright, so.
It's the bathroom. I'm for just a very basic bathroom today. Do you think I should get signs and label them all?
No.
Just so they know where everything is. You're not allowed to trespass there. Oh gosh.
That was my phone. Oh. Just to make
Karaoke.
I think that's enough sounds, Lacey. Hopefully. If not, we'll can buy some more. There.
What was your song in the bathroom?
Yeah. Sorry these signs keep coming up. It's just that she needs to get all her things up on here. But she's building at the minute, so she can't really get her things up. So, what room is this going to be?
Oh, it's the pink room.
It's the pink room. So we put the pink, so put pink room.
By the way, guys, if the boys want the girls' room, they can have them because we don't judge. Well, I know I don't judge. Do you know about Alicia?
Yeah, so if boys want the pink room, we don't mind. They can have the pink room.
Should I say pink room, any gender?
Yeah. Pink room, any gender is allowed. Okay, now it's time to...
Okay, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more videos like this one.
And don't
Bye.
forget to comment down below. Bye!
Like, subscribe, and comment to become a member of the Fairy Tale family. Subscribe for more videos.
Bye!